Like everything else we do at Uniseal, our window tint packages are a cut above the rest. So here we do what is called a ceramic window tint. So regular window tint, it only helps from a protection standpoint as far as theft and being able to see visibly within the vehicle itself. Our ceramic window tint here gives you the same protection, but also helps out with harmful UV rays and helping your vehicle stay cool longer, and also helps cool the vehicle down faster, which will help from cracks on your dashboard, cracks on your steering wheel that will be harmed by the sun's rays. We do have a heat lamp here that has a tint reel on it where we could show you the difference from a window that has no tint from a window that has one of our ceramic tints on it. If you're looking for a product that provides no visible shade but still gives you the same UV protection, Air 80 is the product for you. To book an appointment, give us a call or visit our website at www.unisealusa.com.